enable. The Changemakers Season 2 in association with CNBC TV 18.
Hello and welcome to Season 2 of The Changemakers on CNBC TV 18. I'm Ritu Bhandari. In this series, we showcase how India Inc. and the social sector, through their groundbreaking corporate social responsibility initiatives, are creating a positive social change. Organizations that prioritize the health of the planet, whose actions are people-centric, that eventually result in better economic opportunities for everyone, are today seen as the change makers. Well, there is no second opinion about the crucial role that education plays in shaping an individual's personality. Even though India's literacy rate has registered some growth over the last few years, it has not been able to impart the kind of education that modern times demand. The new Education Policy 2020 emphasizes on this much-needed shift from what to think to how to think. Several studies on the state of education in schools have also shown that the curiosity levels among children decrease significantly as they progress from one grade to another. Our first change maker, Agastya International Foundation, is changing this phenomenon among children and teachers in India through its various programs. Let's find out how.
Established in 1999, Agastya International Foundation aims to spark curiosity, nurture creativity, and instill confidence in economically disadvantaged children and government school teachers by bringing imaginative and innovative hands-on science education, project-based and peer-to-peer learning to schools, towns, and villages across India. Their mission is based on three simple words: ah, aha, and ha-ha, where R factor stands for sparkling and retaining curiosity amongst children. AHA stands for nurturing creativity, and HAHA refers to their commitment to ensuring that they enjoy the process of learning and gain confidence in their abilities. Nestled in the confluence of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu lies Agastya International Foundation's Campus Creativity Lab. Situated near Gudivanka, Andhra Pradesh, spread over sprawling 172-acre campus, it has been passionately designed and developed with large models to delve into ecology, to learn from and explore.
అగస్త్యలో చాలా అందంగా ఉంటుంది. అగస్త్యలో మనం నేర్చుకోవడానికి చాలా ఫెసిలిటీస్ ఉంటాయి. అక్కడ
Agastya is so beautiful. There are so many facilities to learn. We can learn a lot here as there are so many things to understand. Also, Agastya's teacher teaches lessons which is easy to understand without any difficulty and are so practically demonstrated and yet well understood.
అర్థవంతంగా ఉంటుంది. మా టీచర్లు ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పారు, కానీ దాన్ని వాళ్ళు ప్రాక్టికల్గా చేసి చూపిస్తారు. కాబట్టి మేము ఇంకా బాగా అర్థం చేసుకోవచ్చు.
I know about Agastya since 8 years nearly. So the campus is very pleasant really. The students also, they enjoy very well when they go there. It is really a gift to the rural children. They explain the things and concepts in a practical way, and they show the models, and they are very friendly to the students. Even the children also, they enjoy very well. So we approach the students in the form of curiosity, and we have to creativity. Finally, they have to inculcate confidence on the students by learning that concept. If they learn practically, they never forget the concept.
Agastya's pedagogical framework has incorporated activity-based and project-based learning to hone 21st century skills among children, based on the motto of when children cannot go to Agastya, Agastya will go to them. Their mobile labs and labs on bikes take science, maths, art, digital literacy and design thinking to children in the remotest corner of the country.
Agastya main programs, I would say, are the mobile science lab, which reaches close to 1 million children every year in the remotest corners of India. The Young Instructor Leader program, which builds children as peer-to-peer learners, team builders, and builds character in them in terms of caring. The teacher training program, which helps us to replicate and have a force multiplier effect, because each transformed teacher can transform hundreds of other children into the new way of learning. Besides this, we have several programs centered on innovation, design thinking, lab in a box, lab on a bike, etc. We were thinking about how to scale as well as have quality in the program that we have, which is the mobile lab program. And Lab in a Box was born, where we created 10 boxes and rotated them around 10 schools in 10 weeks, so that each of the 10 schools will have a complete understanding of hands-on learning, experiential learning for all their children through the syllabus that they normally go through. So this has been an outstanding experience. We continuously innovate on our products and services, and as we speak, we are stepping out on a major digital, phygital and fidgitual kind of programs.
Knowledgeable, enthusiastic Agastya teachers accompany each one to supplement school education and enhance the learning experience.
We have science centers, hundreds of them, and then we have 200 plus mobile labs, about 100 lab on a bike. All of these are manned by teachers, and they go to the remotest corners by traveling 20-30 kilometers every day. They are locally recruited, vernacular teaching kind of people, therefore they relate very well to the children. The children look at them as friends rather than teachers, and in a 2.5-hour session, we are able to catalyze the children to thinking learning is the future.
Harsha Kekeri here from Holosuit. We provide a practical education for inventors through phygital experiences. We are very happy to partner with Agastya. We share their vision of increasing the critical thinking skills as well as scientific curiosity among students.
Agastya is using the blended learning approach of both physical and digital modules to adapt to their changing world that is moving online. More than 12 million children and 5 lakh teachers have been impacted through Agastya's program so far. Agastya 2.0, the ambitious 5-year plan, aims on reaching 100 million children and 1 million teachers by 2025 by adopting new pedagogies, teaching methods and platforms for learning.
On that note, it's time for a very short break right now. On the other side, we have an organization that is revolutionizing India's workforce by enabling employment opportunities for all, especially for persons with disabilities. Stay with us on Season 2 of The Changemakers on CNBC TV 18.
The Changemakers Season 2 in association with CNBC TV 18.